The total number of vulnerabilities that we saw in 2024 was 8,223 vulnerabilities across the WordPress ecosystem, which is a 68% increase since 2023. So there's definitely been growth in the number of vulnerabilities that we're seeing. That's not necessarily a bad thing because these are vulnerabilities that are being responsibly disclosed by researchers in a lot of cases. We fund a lot of that research and they're confidentially disclosed to vendors, and those vulnerabilities get fixed. And so one of the things that this could indicate is that the ecosystem as a whole is becoming more secure. Out of those 8,223 vulnerabilities, we saw 8,066 of them were plugin vulnerabilities, and then 345 in theme and 5 in core. And so what that tells you is that the vast majority of vulnerabilities are in plugins, which makes sense because it's a huge developer ecosystem. There's a lot more code in plugins. The complexity of code is much greater, and so that makes sense there. We saw 7% high threat vulnerabilities, which is the potential for mass exploitation.